One thing that became apparent with my work at Limnotech is we can only be out on the water so much. Drive out onto a lake, collect a water sample. We can surely understand a lot when we're there, but when we're not there, a lot is happening. There's flooding, there's coastal erosion, we're looking at the impacts of climate change. What we assumed is a baseline for understanding temperature, fish movements, that's all shifting.
One of the reasons that we really need Freeboard right now, and we need more environmental sensing right now, is because the pressure that people are putting on the environment is more intense than it ever has been. There are many problems that are facing us right now, in the Great Lakes and really all around the world.
The work that Freeboard is really good at is understanding large, complex, interconnected environmental issues. We're having to understand this new baseline conditions of our lakes and rivers. We need more sensors to do that.
In the past, we've built models that answer just one question at a time. What Freeboard does is it provides environmental sensing systems, so devices that can feed data into those models all the time. They become part of our lives in a way, in the same way that weather forecasts are a part of our lives.
What we've started to do with Limnotech, and we're hoping to continue with Freeboard, is that public utility model for this infrastructure. Cities, beach managers, boaters, marinas, lighthouses, water intakes. These are great opportunities to test new technology, but then have it integrate into a regional lake observing system. Building on that experience, taking advantage of new telecommunications networks, moving towards a connected water system.
Freeboard is going to be one of the recognized leaders in water technologies in the Great Lakes.